What's up everybody, Brian Tong here, and you see what I got in my hand? Yes, this is the new Pixel 9 Pro Fold. You know what? We're gonna box it. I'm not gonna waste your time, so let's get right to it. And we see the box here. You see the front of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. You see the back, and you got these little pull tabs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull the tabs, okay? Oh, here we go. Whoop, real quiet. Whoop, okay. All right, we have this here, and let's slide. This can be a little tricky. Let's just slide it. Come on. Slide, slide, slipperoo. Ugh. There we go. All right. Ooh. So we have this little diagram of the Pixel 9 Fold Pro, right? The box top is going to slip off, so let's just do this, okay? Oh. Ooh. Okay. Here we go. Let's do the honors with the magic paper. Unwrap the paper, okay? Pull the tab. Ooh. Flip it over. Yeah, baby. Yeah, this is it in porcelain. I love how this thing looks. I love how this thing feels. You have 6.3 external display, and then inside here, this is an 8-inch internal display. Their Super Actual display. It's a LTPO OLED display, right? I know we won't be able to set up, but at least let's try and turn this thing on. So closed, I guess I should let it load up there. There you go. The Google sign just like, boop. Welcome to your Pixel. I see it. I see it. La, 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 la. Okay, so in here, I'm going to close this. This is 10.5 millimeters thick when it's closed, okay? When it's open, it's 5.1 millimeters thick. This is the thinnest foldable, at least here in the US. Yes, there are others in Asia. People are getting upset that I was like, oh, it's not the thin, it's the thinnest here in the US. Another thing about it, when it unfolds, one of the issues with the original one, it actually completely folds all the way. So last time it kind of stopped here and you had to pull it out. This new hinge, stainless steel hinge, completely folds all the way out. It's polished on this ridge here, really nice. 6.3 on the outside, 8-inch on the inside. You have a triple lens camera system here as well. That's a 48 megapixel wide, a 10.5 ultra wide, and then a 10.8 telephoto that goes up to 5x optical zoom. I know I remembered all that. And then you also have an interior camera that's gonna be 10 megapixels, an exterior camera that's also 10 megapixels. This is running the Tensor G4 chip, already specializes in AI, 16 gigs of memory inside this thing. But this is beastie, baby. And I love how it feels and looks. If I had to pick, you know, Samsung has always gone with that really thin candy bar design. I just never liked that. It felt really bulky. It felt like a brick in my pocket. I really love what they did with the original Pixel Fold. It was kind of more of a passport size. But here they're just saying like, no, you want screen? We're gonna give you screen. And even when it's closed up, it's basically almost as thick as a Pixel 9 Pro with a case on it. So it's really, really like low profile compared to any foldable here in the US. And again, thinnest in the US, in the States. There are some thinner ones overseas in Asia, but whew, okay, let's see what else we got here. We obviously have USB-C cable all wrapped up nicely for y'all. Okay, nice, nice. And then we have the manuals here. All right, no, I'm just gonna throw this. No one reads those things. Should I read those things? Okay, but let's do something here as well, just to give you a little bit of a reference and comparison. I'm gonna put this box onto the far side. Let's put it down here. And instead, let's get the Pixel Fold, the original, and compare it dimension-wise to the new Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And they lean on this name 9 Pro Fold, so you know you're basically getting a lot of the same specs as the 9 Pro. Would Pixel Fold 2 have been nice? Yeah, it would have, but they're aligning with their kind of main line. But here you go, look at, this is the size difference, okay, display-wise. You open it up. Again, I said this one really felt more like a passport. Here's the other thing. Look at when I pop this open. You won't be able to see it as well, but if the light hits enough, the bezel has been reduced almost by twice the size, by 50% on this new Pixel 9 Pro Fold versus the original. What I love the most is just the versatility. You have more, right? A camera, like the kind of the bigger, bulkier camera here on the backside. You can see the hinges. It was a thicker hinge on the original on the original Fold versus the 9 Pro Fold. But even the surfaces, still that kind of like nice silky feel. This is porcelain. It also comes in what they call obsidian, which is even darker than the black you see here. Both pretty nice to hold. But this kind of 8-inch display, that's a beast. And here you go. You can just kind of get a look at how those compare. So that's all pretty much in the box. I'm going to be reviewing this, spending some extended time with it, just because I really want to get a real feel of this. This retails for $1,799, $1,799. That is $1,000 less than what you'd find for the Samsung Z Fold 6. So there you go, a first look at the new Pixel 9 Pro Fold. My review is coming. Stick with this channel for it, and I'm gonna have some fun with this. Woo!